Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. In today's video, we're going to learn one of my original routines called Canadian bacon. To do Canadian bacon, you're going to need to know a lot of different moves, and then they all get added together to make the routine. The first is Toronto twist. That's a throw in the Queensland crossover that's used to change lead hands. The second is Wilks Wonder. That's a throw around the neck in the Queensland crossover. You'll also need to know the Tasmanian cutback and how to add that to Wilks Wonder. Finally, you'll need to know how to do the shoulder roll, and you want to be able to do it without changing lead hands. I have tutorials for all of those things on this YouTube channel, so make sure to check them out and really learn them in both hands before you come back and try Canadian bacon. If you're ready to learn Canadian bacon, the pattern goes like this. We do a Toronto twist into a Wilks Wonder and a Tasmanian cutback, and then we do a shoulder roll that doesn't change lead hands. Then we do everything again on the other side. I know that seems pretty intimidating, but once you've learned all of the moves separately, all you need to know is how to put them together. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we start with our Toronto twist. The arm that does the throw and the catch also does the Tasmanian cutback. So you'll see I'm doing my Toronto twist here, and I do 1, 2, cut back. The other arm, the one that didn't do the throw, is doing the Wilks Wonder. So it does one crack after the Toronto twist, and then gets thrown around the neck. You can practice that just by doing this. Once you've done that portion of the move, the arm that did the Tasmanian cutback is also coming out and being put on the bottom to do the shoulder roll. So remember, that hand is staying on the bottom after the shoulder roll. So that part looks like this again. So here, here, bang, bang. Just like that. So when I put it all together, it looks like this. So now we've completed one half of the Toronto twist. Now I need to do it again on the other side. So to do that, I'll do my 2 cracks of the Queensland crossover, and I'm going to get into the Toronto twist on the other side. So that looks like this. And then 1, 2, Toronto twist. Now we've changed lead hands, and we can do the whole pattern again over here. And then we can do it again on the other side. That's how to do Canadian bacon. I know it's a pretty hard routine, but I hope you can figure it out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if there's any part you're struggling with, remember to check out our other tutorials to see how those sections are done. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Justin from CanadaWhips.com, and I'll see you in the next video. That's the arm that's doing the Wilks Wonder. Hopefully you'll catch it. I did not. Wow, I'm bad at this.